good? Oh my God.
Police officers were just in time to save a pilot whose plane went down near train tracks. LAPD officers responded to the scene in Pacoima, where the pilot missed a landing at a nearby airport. He was injured, but officers knew they had to move quickly as the train was coming. They pulled him out and dragged him away from the impending crash. No one else was in the plane, and the pilot was taken to a hospital where he was treated for his injuries. The wreckage of the plane remained on the tracks and shows just how devastating the crash could have been if it wasn't for some brave officers who were able to rescue this man before it was too late.